The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Grimes County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Montgomery, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Huntsville, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntsville, New Waverly, Huntsville State Park, Richards, and Dacus. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for southern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Trinity County in southeastern Texas, Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Huntsville, Navasota, Point Blank, Riverside, Anderson, Huntsville State Park, Crabs Prairie, Richards, Dacus, Lowndes Prairie, and Oakhurst. This includes the following low water crossings: Old Milliken Road, North LaSalle, and 10th Streets, Victoria Lane at Cedar Creek, Farm to Market 3090 at Holland Creek, County Road 277 at Neglitz Creek Tributary, Farm to Market 3090 at Spring Creek, County Road 405 at Thomas Creek, Dacus Johnson Road at Lake Creek, Farm to Market 149 at Little Lake Creek, Mount Moriah Road at Little Caney Creek, Interstate 45 East Frontage Road at Nelson Creek, River Oaks Drive at Prairie Branch, State Highway 75 at Town Branch, Sunset Lake